Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add two IDs in Instagram Reels. Want to tag or mention two Instagram IDs in your reel or more? In this video, I'll show you how to add two IDs in Instagram Reels or more using simple methods. The first step is to tag two users in the reel. Now, after recording or uploading the reel, I'm just gonna click on, I'm just gonna upload a reel. I'm going to swipe right to record the reel. I'm going to choose the reel option. You can record a reel. Now after you record the reel, tap anywhere on the video and search for the username and select it. For example, I'm just going to click on next here, and click on edit the video. Click on add text, and you can use the hashtag symbol, the arrobas symbol, followed by the username. Or also you can use this trick right here. You can just click on next and then click on tag people here, and here you're gonna click on tag people again, and you're gonna search for their username. Now you can mention two IDs in the caption, type arrobas followed by their username, and add a space and type arrobas followed by the username, by the second name, and etc. Or in this case, you can search for the first user and add them, and then search for the second user and then add them again. The third method is to use the invite collaborator feature. Let's go back to this feature right here. Click on invite collaborator here and search for the after you click on invite collaborator, add one collaborator and then post the reel and ask them to tag the second person, and this method is useful if both users should co-own the reel. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to add two IDs in Instagram Reels. Use these methods to tag friends, creators or collaborators easily. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next tutorial.